Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you guys can repost Instagram Reels. Simply open up your Instagram application and after that click on the bottom right and after that tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Over here, choose the reel that you want to repost. This reel can be any reel, it can be your own or it can be a reel from someone else. So for example, I want to repost this reel. What I need to do firstly is click on these three dots in the bottom right. Then after that I just need to click on this link and then tap on this copy link. Now once I have the link, I will open up any browser and then over here I want to just simply type in download Instagram Reels and it's going to give me all of these options. I will click on this first option. Then after that just simply paste your link you have copied from Instagram and now tap on this download. Now once this reel has been downloaded in your phone, guys, just simply come back to Instagram and now you can upload this particular reel as a normal reel on your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.